dear children, welcome back. I'm Dr. Jisha Jo. In this session, we shall see about what a pacemaker is and how the impulse created at the pacemaker is conducted to every part of the heart. So let us have a look at what a pacemaker is. So pacemaker actually it refers to a region inside the heart. Exactly speaking, it is a region in the right auricle, on the walls of the right auricle, very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. Okay, I'm just drawing the heart there. That is the heart. Okay. That is the heart, and you can see that is the superior vena cava opening up into the so I'm just dividing the heart into the different chambers. Okay, so that is the auricle there. These are the auricles and the ventricles. So we can see, we have already seen this is the which side of the heart. This is the left side of the heart and this is the right side of the heart. So we have already seen the vena cava opens into the right auricle or the right atrium. So the pacemaker actually is a small region. It is actually a group of cells. Where is it present? On the walls of the right auricle, very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. So that is the superior vena cava. Okay, I'm just drawing the superior vena cava there. That is the superior vena cava, which brings blood into the heart. The deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body is drained into the right auricle. That is the right auricle by the superior vena cava. Right auricle. Okay, so pacemaker, what is actually pacemaker? It is a small region on the wall of the right auricle. That is the pacemaker there. You can see very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. That is the superior vena cava. Okay, that is the pacemaker. So the pacemaker is otherwise called as the sinoatrial node. Okay, it is otherwise called as the sinoatrial node. Atrial node or SAN. Okay, so I hope you have understood what the pacemaker is. Actually, pacemaker is a small region which consists of a group of cells which are present on the inner wall of the right auricle, very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. Okay, and it is at this region the command for the heartbeat arises. So that is the function of the sinoatrial node or the pacemaker. That is the command for the heartbeat arises at the pacemaker or the sinoatrial node. So it gives the command. Okay. Now once it gives the command, it is transmitted as impulse to another region or another portion of the heart, another region of the heart, which is called as the AV node or atrioventricular node. Okay. Atrioventricular node. Or AVN. Okay, that is another region inside the heart. If we say it is a region very close to the tricuspid valve. Where is the tricuspid valve located? In between the right auricle and the right ventricle is the tricuspid valve. So that is the tricuspid valve there. Okay, that is the tricuspid valve, and the atrioventricular node is a region, region located in the interauricular septum. Which is the interauricular septum? That is the septum in between the two auricles. That is the interauricular septum. Okay, that is the interauricular septum. So AVN node is located close to the near to the interauricular septum, close to the tricuspid valve. So that is the tricuspid valve. Okay, tricuspid valve. And somewhere at this region is present what? The atrioventricular valve, or node, or the AVN. Okay, AVN is the atrioventricular node. Where is it located? Near the interauricular septum, very close to the tricuspid valve. So the impulse or the command which originates here, is transmitted to the AVN, that is the atrioventricular node. So the impulse that originates here is transmitted to the AV node, or the atrioventricular node. Then from the atrioventricular node, this is the, what is the septum? This septum is the interventricular septum, isn't it? So that septum which separates the two ventricles, that is the interventricular septum. Interventricular septum. So now the impulse has reached at the AVN node. Now from the AVN node, the impulse is transmitted to a bundle of fibers which enter into the interventricular septum. So that is the bundle of fibers that I am drawing here. Okay. That is the bundle of fibers. This bundle of fibers is called as the bundle of His. Okay, bundle of His. This bundle gets its name because of the, it is based on the person who has discovered that. That is why the bundle is called as the bundle of His. So from the senoatrial node, that is the pacemaker, the command passes in the form of impulse to the atrioventricular node, and from the atrioventricular node, the impulse is carried by the bundle of fibers, which we call as the bundle of His. Where is the bundle of His present? In the interventricular septum. Now what happens? The bundle of His divides into two branches. Okay, I'm just enlarging that septum so that is the septum. That is the interventricular septum. Now the bundle of His divides into two branches. Can you see the two branches? And also one thing, I forgot to draw the thick wall of the ventricle there. That is the thick wall of the ventricle, we know. Okay, that is the thick wall of the ventricle. Okay. Ventricle wall. Thick muscular wall of the ventricle. Okay, so from the bundle of His divides into two to form two branches. Okay, that is the right side branch. Okay, the right side branch on the right side, and that is the branch on the left side branch. Okay, so the bundle of His divides into two branches, the right side branch and the left side branch, or the right side bundle and the left side bundle. And then what happens is that this from these two branches, okay, from these two branches, or these two branches again form minute fibers. Okay, they branch and redivide and divide to form fibers extending throughout the wall of the ventricle. You can see how it extends throughout the wall of the ventricle. I have marked in red. So these small fibers are called as the Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers. Okay, so what are the different regions? First is the sinoatrial node or the pacemaker. Then comes the AV node or the atrioventricular node. Then from the atrioventricular node arises the bundle of fibers, which we call as the bundle of His. The bundle of His enters into the interventricular septum, divides into two branches, the right branch and the left branch, and it moves downwards, and at the base, at the bottom, it divides to form finer fibers, or it branches to form finer fibers, which are called as the Purkinje fibers. So these also, the fibers get the name from the person who discovered those fibers. Okay, Purkinje. So this is how the impulse or the command which originates at the pacemaker is transmitted to every part of the heart. And we know the contraction of the heart is maximum at this end, at this narrow end of the heart. Okay, so what are the different regions? It is the first, the command arises or originates at the pacemaker or the SAN or the sinoatrial node. Where is it located? On the inner wall of the right auricle, close to the opening of the superior vena cava. Okay, so what is the function of the sinoatrial node? It is a region where the command for the heartbeat arises. So once the command arises, this is transmitted in the form of impulse to the next region, the next node or next region inside the heart, which is called as the AVN or the atrioventricular node, which is located near the interauricular septum, close to the tricuspid valve. So that is the location. Okay, so what is the function of the AVN? It transmits the impulse that is transmitted from the SAN or the pacemaker into the bundle of His. Carries the impulses transmitted from the SAN or the pacemaker to the bundle of His. That is the function of AVN. So from the AVN, the impulse is passed on to the next region, which is a bundle of fibers, which we call as the bundle of His. Where is the bundle of His present? In the interventricular septum. Once it enters the interventricular septum, the bundle of His divides into two branches, the right side branch and the left side branch. And it runs down to the base and it divides into finer branches or finer fibers which traverse through the walls of the ventricles, and these fine fibers are called as the Purkinje fibers. And so this is how the impulse which originates at the pacemaker is transmitted to all the different parts of the heart. So children, now I hope you have understood that it is the pacemaker which initiates and maintains the rhythmic contraction of the heart. So I hope this session is clear. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please ask your doubts and give your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.